Next, you can proceed to the FinProfile. FinProfile consists of 5 key sections: income, expense, assets, loans, and insurance. Let's start with income. Income can be from salary, business, interest, rental, or any other custom source. If we are a salaried individual, then choose the salary tab, enter the salary amount, select the interval. Based on the amount and interval, per annum will be calculated automatically, and click Submit. If we are a business person, then select the business category, enter your income, select the interval, and click Submit. You can add other income source also in a similar way. You are not limited to add just one income source. If you earn from multiple categories, be sure to capture all your income here. If you need to make any change, we have an edit option. Simply click this Update Income, adjust the amount, and click Update. If you want to remove any income means, just tap this delete icon and click delete. Once you have added all your income source, your monthly income and annual income will be visible on the screen. Then click the next button to proceed to the expense page. In the expense section, there are 5 expense sources. Everyday spending goes under household expense. Housing payment and property payment fall under rent. Utility bills like gas, electricity, and water are grouped under utilities. If we are paying off a loan, then select loan EMI. For anything else, use the custom category. For household expense, you have two options. One is summarized entry and other one is detail entry. Use the summarized entry to add all your household expense as a single amount. Or you can choose a detail entry to record your monthly expense category by category. Clicking on the detail entry takes you to the monthly expense tracker where you can log all your household expense in a detail month by month format. Household expense are divided into two categories. One is master category and other one is custom category. In master category section, you will find some predefined expense types. Enter the amount spent for each section. Maid salary, milk, grocery. In a similar way, you can add all the amount spent on each category and click this update button to save your entries. Add any other type of expense, use the custom category section. Click on add category, enter the name of expense and hit this to save. Enter the amount and click update. You can repeat this process to continue logging your household expense for each month. If you wish to find your expense after retirement, then enable this button. Specify the percentage change. Here, per annum after retirement will be calculated automatically and click this to save. Once all your household expenses are added, you can view the current month expense, average monthly expense, and projected yearly expense here. This symbol shows the comparison between the current month expense and an average monthly expense. A red indicator means this month spending is higher than the average, while green means current month expense is lower than the average. If both are same, then equal symbol will be displayed. Here, custom category can be deleted and the master category cannot be removed. When you click this back button, it will be redirected to the expense page. If you have a loan, then select Loan EMI. To calculate your EMI amount, simply click here. By using this EMI calculator, you can calculate your EMI amount. Enter the amount. Select the interval. If you want to find the expense after retirement means you can enable this button. Specify the percentage change after retirement and click Submit. In the similar way, you can add all your expenses. Once all your expenses are added, you can see your monthly expense, annual expense, and annual expense after retirement. Click the Next button to proceed to the Asset page. In the Asset section, you will find 5 asset sources: equity, fixed income, gold, real estate, and others. If you do not have any assets, simply enable this button and click Confirm. Since I am going to add asset, I will leave it disabled. If you are investing in stocks or share, then select Equity tab, enter the current value. Here interval is lump sum and per annum will be calculated automatically and click Submit. If you are investing in bond or interest-based investment, select Fixed Income, enter the amount and click Submit. You can repeat this process for each asset. Once you have added all your assets, you can see your total asset value and monthly asset growth. A graphical representation of your asset distribution is available here. Next, go to the dashboard page. Here in the asset allocation chart, you can see the current allocation and ideal allocation. Ideal allocation for equity should be 55%, 25% for fixed income, 5% for gold, and 15% for real estate. You can compare your current allocation and ideal allocation to adjust. Either you can increase or decrease your investment distribution. Now go to the asset section. Once you have done with the asset, click Next to proceed to the loans page. In the loan section, here you can track 5 types of loan: home loan, credit card, personal, vehicle, and custom. If you do not have any existing loan means, simply enable this button. I am going to add the loan. I will keep it disabled. If you have a home loan, then select this home loan tab, enter the loan amount, enter the loan start date, tenure in months, interest rate. Based on the data, residual loan and EMI amount will be calculated automatically and click Submit. Here you can check your residual loan. If you want to make any changes means you can click this edit icon, enter your current loan balance, enter the remaining months and click Save. Repeat this process to add all your loans. After you have entered your loans, you will see the summary of your total loan, monthly EMI payment, and annual loan payment. Then click Next to proceed to the insurance section. In the insurance section, we have 3 insurance sources: term insurance, health insurance, and emergency fund. Based on the information you provided, The required value for each type of insurance is automatically calculated. Now, let's start with term insurance. Select the term insurance tab. Here, required amount is auto-filled. Enter the existing coverage amount and check the additional amount needed to meet your required amount and click Submit. Similarly, you can add for health insurance and emergency fund. Now we have completed the FinProfile section. Click Next to proceed to the Fin Goals.